Hey guys, I just found the most awesome table for camping and I didn't realize it existed. They call this the Naturehike IGT, which stands for Iron Grill Table. So once you open the carry bag, there's an instructions on how to set it up. I'm so excited to show you this, so let's start setting it up. So Naturehike was founded in 2010. It's a premier destination for camping equipment for families and friends who enjoy outdoors. They make products that are durable and environmentally friendly with the goal of giving everyone the gear they need to leave the constraints of the city behind and return to nature. Naturehike provides the custom designed lightweight reliable gear to fit your outdoor lifestyle. So what's popular in common is the folding egg roll table, which a lot of people have at the moment. I got the IGT table because it's multifunctional and you can put so much accessories on it. The first two pieces is the beach side with the legs. The whole table is made out of aluminium alloy, which is light and strong. I'm unpacking the egg roll slats, which is 3 pieces, which goes on top. The table is durable and stable and it has excellent low gravity and it can bear 30 kilograms. So the IGT, which is Iron Grill Table, started from Snow Peak, which was founded in 1958. The photo is the entry-level IGT, which is from Japan. Because Snow Peak was very expensive, a lot of brands have made their own that's more affordable. This IGT table is half the price of the Snow Peak IGT table. I really love how the components are detachable and the storage volume is so small and easy to carry, and it was very easy to load on my ute. I also like the color because it's black and it's also got the beachside wood color. There's also a suspended crossbar design which can be hanging some cutlery or kitchen utensils. So the table has 2 versions. There's the IGT table and there's a camping folding table. The table on the top right is the camping table, which folds with a cross and it doesn't need the components on the bottom legs. Assembling the table is so easy. Having the attachment on the legs makes it more sturdy. The size of the table is 88 by 39 by 40 centimeters. The Naturehike IGT table has 2 styles. It's got the aluminium alloy beachside wood table and also the aluminium alloy aluminium side table. I bought the beachside table, which is $10 more than the others. Prior to having this table, I had a foldable table which was very heavy and it was very difficult to put in the car. Now you can put the edge plate and press it in to align the body together. You do the same for the other side by pressing in the edge plate. I like how it's got the Naturehike logo on it. After doing this, now you can put the 3 plates together. I discovered this table when I was watching a few Asian camping videos. I was like, wow, that's a nice table for cooking. And then I realized that this is so much similar to those Korean barbecue restaurants that I go to. Now I can actually have one of my own and use it for camping. This table is so multifunctional, it's got so much to offer. One of the accessories that you can get on this is the stove, which is a tabletop folding single head gas furnace. The other one is the folding barbecue grill. You can either put one grill on the far left and then one stove on the far right. Because I don't have them yet, I'm just putting my mini fridge and my Bluetti power station at the moment. Other accessories you can get is the storage basket, which can store food, drinks and cutleries. The photo on the left shows how this grill stove is set up with the Sierra cup hanging. The stove comes in either stainless steel or black. I'm pretty sure I'll get the black one. The stove has legs so it can be placed on top of the table or inside the table. I also have a hanging organizer which can go in part of the slates. I really like this organizer because you can put your cutlery, your spoons, forks and knives, also a tissue holder, and it's also got the drink holder. Now it's time to relax and enjoy the view. I'll definitely be doing more review on this table on how it holds up, as well as the accessories that it's going to be using. Just remember, this is a low seating table, so make sure you get the low chairs when you buy this table. Now I'll show you how to unpack it. And the table weighs about 3.6 kilograms. Just going back to Snow Peak, they have their own modular design for the kitchen IGT, and it's got so much accessories for their IGT tables. They use quality materials, that's why they're very pricey. Each component attaches to each other, making it a long modular table. So Naturehike have their own IGT modular table, which is more affordable. Naturehike use aluminium alloy at 304 stainless steel. I also like the metal table frame because it comes in black. Maybe in the future I will get a modular setup. With disassembling the Naturehike table, it's very easy and everything just folds all together. I like how you can remove the components on top so you can use it as either dining or cooking. What do you guys think of this table? Would you be going this directions where it's more customizable and more compact? Looking at the Snow Peak price compared to the Naturehike price, this table is much affordable. I know that the Snow Peak quality is much better, but with affordability, Naturehike has great quality. The carry bag is a good size because the table fits perfectly, and I can easily carry it over my shoulder. I got the IG table from Nature Explore, which I'll put the description down below. I got it during the end of year sale, so I got it for a good bargain. The accessories for this cooking system is also affordable. Comment below on what you guys think of this cooking system. Is it a table for your camping and cooking needs? Or is it too small and you prefer the big tables? On my next review, I'll be doing some cooking on the grill and on the stove and show you how it all fits. If you like camping and camping reviews, check out my next video and also subscribe for more future videos.